everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here to talk about this insane Kroger 2-day only sale. This sale will run from today, July the 27th, until tomorrow, July the 28th. Really good, a couple really good deals on this sale. So, yeah, I'm just going to go through it really quick. And if you do have any manufacturer coupons for these items, you can stack a paper coupon with it because this is a Kroger store coupon. I've explained this before. I'm sure you all understand. I'm sure most of you have heard me say it like 20 times, but you can stack a manufacturer coupon with it because these are SC, which is a store coupon. So, yeah, let's just dive right into these deals. First up, we have Lipton Tea. They are $2.99 for the 6 to 12 packs, which is a pretty decent price. I don't really see them go too much lower than that. So if you really like Lipton Tea, that might be a good deal for you. We have $3.99 per pound for bone-in or boneless chicken wings. I don't really know what a good price for those is, but if you are needing some, that might be good for you. Obviously, here it's a lot cheaper if you want to get the Kroger frozen chicken wings. It's $4.99 for 2.5 pounds, so it's definitely cheaper to get them frozen. We have Nabisco multi-packs in the 12 count. They are $2.99, and we received a coupon for 75 cents off of any 2 Nabisco products. That coupon came, it was back in June, I believe. It's an old insert. 624 Smart Source. So after that coupon, the multi-pack of Nabisco wouldn't be a bad deal. So finally, we have the Pantene. I have been getting I got a couple comments about the Pantene deal. I didn't see it because it wasn't in the ad, so it was kind of weird. I don't know why they didn't put it in the ad, but I don't think this is really a good deal unless you get your inserts early. If you got the August P&G for this month early and you have it right now, what you can do is go to Kroger and pick up 3 of these Pantenes. The digital coupon will make them $2.99, so that's about $9 for all of them. You can use the 5 off 3 coupon from this month's P&G, so you'll pay $4 for 3, or like $1.33 each, which isn't really, that's not bad for the really large bottles. I don't think I'd pay that because I have so much shampoo right now. It's kind of hard to get Pantene for free, so if Pantene's your brand, getting these bottles for $1.33 isn't bad. Or if you don't clip coupons at all, $2.99 isn't horrible for Pantene, I guess, for these really big bottles. But, yeah, I wouldn't really get this unless you had that other coupon for it. Yeah, this is all that I have for now about this 2-day sale. Be sure to check out these other Kroger videos because there are so many deals going on right now. Check those videos out and get some more awesome deals when you go to Kroger. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.